Hi guys, this time we are doing a test on polyacrylate, a kind of plastic. We are testing some mills with the mill from CMT 198-080-11. It's a typical mill for plastics. What I want to do is cut it as deep as I can so that you don't have to go around a million times if you want to cut in, for example, 20 or 30 deep, because the less deep you're cutting, the more contours you're making. The more contours you're making, the mill will be always first used here at this point. So I want to use the mill not only 20 times on this point, but as much as possible on the full cut. That's the idea.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll that down, my ladies. Short, tall, thin or wide, always down the middle ride. One by one, billion by billion, holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing.
So this is the result. Nice big chips, no melting. The cut is smooth, quick, and I can live with that. It's a production profile.